Moving day can be stressful enough without the added worry of your belongings getting damaged. To ensure a smooth transition to your new home, it's important to know what items movers typically won't handle. This video will guide you through the do's and don'ts of packing, helping you avoid common pitfalls and protect your valuable possessions. Do's of packing for your move. Number 1. Pack heavy items in small, sturdy boxes. This will make them easier for movers to handle and less likely to break. Number 2. Label all boxes clearly. This will help movers know where to place each box and make unpacking easier. Number 3. Use high-quality packing materials. This will help protect your belongings from damage during the move. Number 4. Pack fragile items carefully. Wrap fragile items in bubble wrap or packing paper and place them in small, sturdy boxes. Number 5. Leave plenty of room in your boxes. This will help prevent items from shifting and breaking during the move. Don'ts of packing for your move. Number 1. Don't pack heavy items in large boxes. This will make them difficult for movers to handle and increase the risk of injury. Number 2. Don't pack boxes that are too heavy to lift. Movers are not responsible for lifting boxes that are too heavy for them to handle safely. Number 3. Don't pack hazardous materials. Hazardous materials, such as paint, cleaning supplies, and chemicals, are not allowed on moving trucks. Number 4. Don't pack perishable items. Perishable items, such as food and plants, should not be packed in boxes. By following these simple tips, you can ensure that your belongings are packed safely and securely for your move. Remember, it's always best to err on the side of caution when packing. If you're unsure whether or not an item can be moved, it's best to ask your mover for advice. Ready to simplify your move? Let Stairhopper Movers, Merrimack handle the heavy lifting and the stress. Our expert movers are skilled in packing, loading, and transporting your belongings safely and efficiently. Contact us today for a free quote and experience the Stairhopper difference.